Hi, my name is Eric Kimberling. I'm the CEO of Third Stage Consulting, and I'd like to personally invite you to kick off your 2020 and your digital strategy initiatives for the new year by attending an educational and peer networking event called Digital Stratosphere. The next Digital Stratosphere, which is our third event, our third time hosting this event, will be hosted in sunny San Diego, California. Myself and the industry's leading thought leaders will also be there presenting a number of educational topics that are designed to help you through your digital transformations in the new year and beyond. For example, I'm going to be doing a keynote on organizational change management. I'll also be hosting a keynote session on digital strategies and how to define the best digital strategy for your organization. And I'm going to be surrounded by a number of the industry's biggest names and well-respected thought leaders that will help enable you to have the tools and knowledge to succeed in your digital transformation initiatives in the new year. In addition to the keynote sessions, we're also running 2 parallel tracks of breakout sessions this year, which are meant to be more targeted deep dives into a number of tool sets and educational knowledge that you'll need to make your transformation succeed. I love hosting Digital Stratosphere each year because the participants love it. The feedback has been extremely positive. It's fun, it's educational, it's a great way to network with others that are going through the same type of transformation, and it's also very interactive. So I encourage you to join. You can learn more on our website at stratosphere2020.com. You can view the agenda, you can see who else is speaking there, and I hope to see you there. Thanks and take care.